What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man, back at another video, and today you seen the thumbnail. We about to do a review and on feet over these Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0s, man. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you to do is hit that subscribe button, man. We are less than 600 subscribers away from hitting that big 20K, man. So help your boy out. Like the video, share the videos, and comment under the videos. That will really help the channel grow a lot faster. Also, what I need you to do is follow me over on IG at DeVintage World, man. The link will be in the description box below. So go click the link, give your boy a follow, and then enjoy the rest of this video, man. So with all that being said, let's jump right into it, man. Let's get it. All right, first things first, let's start off with the box, man. Your regular Air Jordan 1 box, man. Got the Nike up top, Nike surrounding the whole box. You get the size label over here. You got Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, size 9, and the fish colorway is black, starfish, and pale vanilla, man. Check it out right there, as you can see. All right, and then inside the box you got nothing but like regular white tissue paper. Of course, I got my little StockX sticker right here. And yeah, let's get into what you came here for, man. And that is these shattered backboard joints. So first things first, I want to talk about is the overall look of it. I know a lot of people really was hating on the shoe, including me. I gotta admit it, I was really hating on the shoe when I first seen it. I made a video like kind of like a reaction to me seeing this shoe, and I was like, why are they doing this? Why can't they just keep it regular like we got the 2.0s and the 1.0s? But they want to do something different, and I kind of like it. Now that I got it in hand, I'm really digging it. But up until this point of me getting this shoe, it was growing on to me, man. I started seeing a lot of people wearing them, like Offset. Kevin Durant was wearing them, and I was like, man, I gotta get this sneaker. And here you have it. You got that all over, like pretty much shattered backboard look over the whole shoe, that kind of like plasticky look. The shoe doesn't feel as cheap as it may look, you know what I mean? It still feels durable. It still has good quality around. You don't see a lot of factory flaws. You don't see like stitching everywhere. You do got like some glue right here on the Nike swoosh, as you can see, but the shoe is pretty much executed with perfection, in my opinion, man. The back right here, as you can see, you got that starfish color going all the way around the heel right here, as you can see, leading up to the upper towards the ankle. Then you have the black on top of it, man. And on the inside, you have all black lining. And then in there, you can see you got the Nike Air and that starfish colorway as well. And of course, you got your little size label down there, size 9, of course. The tongue, check it out, check it out. You got that Nike Air, man, with the swoosh on the tongue. That's how we usually get our Air Jordan 1s. This Shattered Backboard 3.0 is pretty much the same as any other Air Jordan 1 besides that look. Like I said in my last video, I've never seen an Air Jordan 1 look like this. Even with the patent leather ones, I still haven't seen anything crazy like this. So y'all know me, man, I like the different colors. I like the different shoes added to the collection. This one right here, like I said, grew on me, and this overall kind of glassy look, or however you want to call it, wherever you want to give it the nickname to, I'm digging it, man. I cannot wait to throw it on feet for you guys. As you know, it came with an extra bag of laces. Check it out, with that big jump man right there. And it already comes laced with the black laces right here, as you can see. Checking out the Wings logo, man, as you can see, you still got that kind of plasticky look over that as well as the whole swoosh going around the whole shoe, man. Show you guys the other shattered backboard. Check it out, the right shoe right here. Everything's the same as the left. Just want to give you guys a nice little round view of the shoe, and I want to get you guys' opinion. So I'm trying to give you guys some good B-roll, give you guys some good points so you can kind of talk about. And one thing somebody wanted me to talk about is people that was wiping off this pretty much shine off of the shoe, the matte Shattered Backboard 3.0. And me personally, I like it like this. I wouldn't mind getting the other pair and, you know what I'm saying, sanding it down and making it look not all glossy, but for now I feel like this one is good for me. But you guys give me your opinion down below and tell me if you like the gloss effect better or you like the matte finish better with these 3.0s. One other thing that I want to talk about was that midsole going out to the outsole, man. Something that some people was complaining about was that this is going to get super dirty, but even with the 2.0s, you can see they are really dirty as well, man. Any outsole you get, if you wear your shoes, they're gonna get dirty. So I couldn't really complain about that, but I can understand where you're coming from, that this shoe will get very, very dirty, man. Check it out. But other than that, man, this is a good executed shoe. I'm glad I could add it to the collection. Another Air Jordan 1 in the collection. The last 3 years, I feel like the Air Jordan 1 has been going for crazy numbers, and people are starting to love them more. And they starting to bring back more of those OG colorways, and they starting to bring new colorways like this right here. And I'm really digging what Jordan Brand is doing. Thank you for tuning into this review. I know you guys are ready for the on feet, so I'm gonna stop talking. But before I let you go, I need you guys to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Your notification bell for your boys to never miss another video. Comment down below and let me know how you feel about these Shattered Backboard 3.0s. And with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this on feet, man. I appreciate all of the support. Peace.